Can you really live the American dream on $3,000 a month? Absolutely. With a little grit, creativity, and that classic American determination, you can thrive. Let's do this the American way, with a simple, effective plan. Enter the time-tested 50-30-20 rule, reliable as apple pie, 50% for necessities, your must-haves, 30% for lifestyle, your want-to-haves, 20% for future freedom, because liberty isn't free. Your $3,000 monthly declaration of financial independence necessities, $1,500 per month, cover the basics and live comfortably, American style. Housing, $1,000. From Midwest towns to shared apartments in major cities, Americans adapt. Utilities, $150, keeping the lights on from sea to shining sea. Groceries, $300. Shop smart at Aldi, Walmart, or support local farmers. Transportation, $50. Drive your paid-off Ford or ride public transit with pride. Freedom. Tip: if you're in a high-cost city, channel your pioneer spirit. Get roommates or consider relocating to affordable heartland cities where your dollar stretches further. Lifestyle, $900 per month. This is your pursuit of happiness fund. Weekend road trips to national parks, streaming subscriptions like ESPN, plus the occasional Chick-fil-A or In-N-Out meal backyard barbecues and celebrations. It's all about enjoying life without blowing the budget. Future freedom, $600 per month. Put your money to work for long-term independence. Build your emergency fund. Contribute to your 401k or Roth IRA, pay down student loans or credit cards, save for your slice of the American dream, maybe a home, maybe a business. Patriotic bonus. Track every Washington, Lincoln, and Franklin using budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a good old spreadsheet. Our founding fathers would salute that kind of accountability. The American success mindset. Here's what makes it all possible. Cut unused subscriptions like you're slashing red tape cook at home. Make every night a mini 4th of July, embrace free treasures, national parks, community events, public libraries. Remember, many American legends started small: Oprah, Bezos, Jobs. The bottom line, yes, you can live the American dream on $3,000 a month. It's not only doable, it's a tribute to the resilience, creativity, and determination that built this country. Budget like your freedom depends on it. Track your money like a soldier maps the terrain. Set boundaries tighter than White House security. And always, pay yourself first. That's the American way. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips.